This is Veo, the video generation model designed for creativity. New enhanced capabilities give you control like never before.
Stop everything. Google just dropped some insane Meet Google Veo 3.1, the next leap in AI video magic, and a major update to Flow, the filmmaking engine that already changing how we tell story. In this video, I am breaking down exactly what's new in Google Veo 3.1 and how Flow's advanced capabilities are pushing AI videos into a whole new dimension, and how we can ride this wave right now.
Let's take a look. You can use a reference image, a location, a character, object, or a combination. Veo puts them together into a fully formed scene, complete with sound.
Hello, is anybody here?
Here is the sneak peek. Imagine being able to tweak lighting and shadows in your AI videos, make it moody, cinematic, or ultra natural after it's generated. What if you could generate a video with synchronized audio straight from images, voice, ambience, and everything without manual dubbing? Or what if you could extend a scene beyond its original length, or remove an object from the video and have some background automatically reconstruct itself? Or what if you could extend a scene beyond its original length, or remove an object from the video and have the background automatically reconstruct itself? Google just made all this real. They are now calling it paid preview, but the power behind these features is wild. You are going to test Veo 3.1 live. I will run prompt, push flows, new editing tools, and show you how you can start using this in your own videos to blow up your views and what people thought was possible. By the end of this video, you will see not just what Veo 3.1 can do, you will also know how to use it, how to prompt, and how to make your context look better for the next level, faster and more cinematic than ever. If you are serious about AI, stick around because this is going to change the game. Let's dive into it. Within the new features, which brings richer audio, more narrative control, and enhanced realism, that capabilities true to life texture. Veo 3.1 is a state of the art and building on Veo 3 platform with stronger prompt adherence and improved audiovisual quality when turning images into the videos. Now let's see what are the features Google Veo 3.1 introduced with their new update. So refine your narrative with audio and more control. With Veo 3.1, we are bringing audio to existing capabilities to help you craft the perfect scene. These features are experimental and actively improving, and we are excited to see what creates as we iterate based on your feedback. Now, with rich generated audio, you can craft the look of your scene. With ingredient to videos, you can use multiple references images to control the character, object, and style. Flow uses your ingredient to create the final scene that look like as per your vision. Next, control the shot from start to finish. Provide a starting and ending image with frames to frame, and Flow with generate seamless video that bridges the two, perfect for artful and epic transition. The video showcasing you how the control the shots from start to finish. Next, create longer seamless shot. With Extend, you can create longer videos, even lasting for a minute or more. Each video is generated based on the final second of your previous clip, making it more useful for creating a longer establishment shot.
Great moments don't need to end. You can extend your clips and transform any shot into a full scene.
Now edit your ingredients and videos with more precision. Great ideas can strike at any point in the creative process. For moment, when the first take is not the final one, we are introduced now editing capabilities directly within the flow to help you reimagine and the perfect your scenes. Add new elements to any scene. With insert, introduce anything you can imagine from realistic details to fantastical creatures. Flow now handles complex details like shadows and scene lighting, making the additional look natural. Alright, next we are going to discuss about generate stunning videos with Google Veo 3.1 via Gemini API. Through the Gemini API, developers and creators can now programmatically generate cinematic lifestyle clip that captures incredible details, motion and sound, all powered by Google's newest multimodal technology. With Google 3.1, a wide range of visual style and cinematic effect and introduce several game-changing features. Fast video extension seamlessly extend previously generated video clips to create longer sequence. Frame specific generation. Define your starting and ending frames to guide the motion and pacing of your scene. Image based direction. Upload up to 3 reference images to precisely influence the hook, tone, or setting up your generated video. Result, can check out the official Google Veo prompt guide that is now showing in your screen. You can just check this link and go to the Google's official Veo prompt guideline. So let's go through some example and I will show you how you can use your prompt to generate images and videos. So first prompt, a whimsical stop motion animation of a tiny robot trending to a garden of glowing mushroom on a miniature planet. So you can see the output of this video. This is insane and this is a great move by Google with the latest release Google Veo 3.1. Let's take an example of Veo generated video, butterfly video, showing here with its original prompt and extend it using the video parameter and new prompt. So the prompt, an origami butterfly flaps its wing and flew out the French door into the garden. So you can see the result. Using Veo 3.1, you can just also generate videos by specifying the first and the last frame of the video. So first image is generated by Nano Banana, a high quality photorealistic front image of a ginger cat driving a red convertible racing cars into the French Riviera coast. Now we edit this image with a prompt, so what happens when the car takes off from a cliff, and you can see the output. Let's talk about some realistic video, man on the phone. So you can see the prompt, a close-up cinematic shot follows a desperate man in a weathered green trench coat as he dials a rotary phone mounted on a glittery brick wall. You can see the prompt. I will not go through the prompt and you can just see the output. Video, if you guys like my videos, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and please like my video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye bye.